Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Instagram password. So first of all, open Instagram account. Click on the profile icon. Look at the right corner, tap on three line. Settings and privacy. Click on account center. Password and security. Change password. And now you can easily change your Instagram password. And then finally click on change password. Then easily change your Instagram password. That's how you can do it.